Hello everybody. Do you want to become a Python programmer and learn one of the most requested programming skills of 2019? This is the most comprehensive yet straightforward course for Python programming for VEX Robotics. Now, whether you've never programmed before, already know a programming language like Robot C, or perhaps just want to learn about Python as it applies to robots, then this is the course for you. In the videos that follow, we'll take a ground-up approach to Python programming, from basic data structures to more complicated ideas in object-oriented programming. But first, what is Python and why should we use it to program a VEX robot? In this video, I'll discuss some of the unique advantages of this popular programming language. Python was developed in 1991 by Guido van Rossum and named for the Monty Python comedy troupe. In the time since, it has quickly become one of the most popular programming languages in the world. In fact, the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers currently ranks Python as the top programming language based on number of apps created in 2018. This is because Python can accomplish many of the same tasks as other programming languages using far fewer lines of code, and therefore the chances of inadvertently introducing bugs into a program is much lower. Also, as we'll soon see, the syntax of the language closely resembles typed English, so Python is widely considered to be a beginner-friendly language, very much in the spirit of past learning languages such as BASIC and Pascal, but with far greater real-world application, as we'll soon see. The big idea that Van Rossum stumbled upon is that code gets read far more often than it is ever written, and usually by others who may not have had a hand in creating the original program, but who now must maintain it. So to improve readability, in addition to its English-like commands, Python makes use of white space through the use of indentation. Let's take a look at some examples. We can see that when compared to other languages, we can do much more using far fewer lines of very readable English-looking code. Now in this example, this particular program does nothing more than write hello world to the screen, but we can see what a minefield this code is in a language like C. If a student were to mistype a curly brace or a semicolon, their program wouldn't run, and that can be very frustrating to a learner when the logic of their program is seemingly sound. In the second example, we see Python and Java performing the simple task of writing the contents of a file to the screen. What Java does in 18 lines, Python does in 4, which is really quite amazing when you think about it. So who uses Python? Let's rephrase this and ask who doesn't use Python. Because of its power and ease of use, Python is deployed in a wide variety of real-world applications. In the context of VEX Robotics, we can use Python here as well to write programs to autonomously control our robot. Both the VEX IQ and VEX EDR v5 can be programmed in Python using Robot Mesh Studio, which at the time of this video is the only development environment to support this. Please join me in the videos that follow as we begin to learn Python.